I thought I would just do a real quick video on what is going on. Our cowboy tub is being moved. We had the grandkids here and we had them playing in the little swimming trough. Anyway, so I got this plant for my birthday. It is a Texas mountain laurel, and it's really, really pretty. And so I've had it sitting in the pot for way too long. I need to get it in the ground. So there was a lot of things to consider, and here's what we decided. All along this fence line, we're going to be doing some things that are different. And I did put in some mulch right here just to kind of kill the grass. It's red yucca plant as well. Now, if I read the tag, it says that it needs 6+ hours of sunlight. And I know from experience, I mean, you see these in Texas landscaping all the time, this Esperal parviflora. It's basically a red yucca. You see these in landscape all the time too here in Texas. Well, I know from that experience that I see them in full sun, and I usually see them on an edge, like on the edge of white gravel or an edge of a walkway or an edge of a driveway or all along the front of the property. So what we needed to consider was the sun requirements, and I wanted to put it somewhere where I could see it, because I have like 7,000 square feet, just kind of all over, about 1.5 acres right now of garden bed space, and I wanted it to be in a place where I could really keep an eye on it, so I could see did it need water, because I need to kind of baby it for about a year. And so anyway, we're planting it right in the dead heat. It's August, it's Texas, it's hot, and I wanted to make sure it got babied. So I thought about that corner right there. I thought about that corner over there that has all the cactus in it, and that area, that's the west. Then there's going to be shade. The sun's going to be behind that tree, and this area right here will be shaded. And then on the other side of that tree, it's going to be sun. So I have to take into consideration for it to get the most amount of sun, because this is Texas, it's a drought tolerant tree. I looked at a lot of different places, and we picked this place over, I was going to pick that place, but it would be shaded. So we picked this place. So what we're going to do is, I had already started, and I just kind of ran out of energy, but this area right here, I was going to lay down my mulch 1 foot thick and create a new bed right here. So actually that was going to be kind of a different story. Anyway, so what I'm thinking is, now this is my red yucca plant. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this area right here, because we don't want to have to weed eat around this. So we place this far enough out, because we're not going to do this right now. We place it far enough out so that a lawnmower can get through there. Because if we placed it like right here, we have that one little swath that would have to be weed eated, and it starts to really tilt down this way. So we wanted to be able to take a lawnmower through that area. So I'm going to put this back, so remember where we settled on. Kind of see, okay, here's where the red yucca is going to be. It's actually going to be pulled back just a little bit. And again, I'm dealing with 2 plants that I got for my birthday. This wasn't anything I planned, so I'm just trying to work it in, get them in the ground, because they're safer in the ground. But this tree will get to be, I don't know, about 10 feet tall, probably about that tall. And then it'll just be really pretty color in the summertime, which is kind of hard to come by around here. So we have the red yucca here, and then I'll be doing a new bed, not right now, but probably in the fall or the spring, that's going to go kind of like that. so we don't have to weed eat or mow around. I'm all about doing things the easy way, or at least I try. All right, on to the next project. Bye for now.